Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your carrier and SIM support Volte, because enabling settings alone won't register on the network. Once done, update MIUI to the latest stable build to avoid hidden bugs and make sure mobile data is active. Now go into Settings, then SIM cards and mobile networks. This moves you into the control layer where Volte toggles live. Make sure the SIM you plan to use is set as the primary data SIM, so subsequent steps apply to the correct radio. You now enable Volte directly. Open SIM cards and mobile networks, select the active SIM, then toggle Volte calling on. Set the preferred network type to 4G/3G/2G auto, so the phone keeps LTE for data and voice handover. If you don't see a Volte option, check the APN and carrier profile. Sometimes the carrier pushes a configuration, or you need to apply a specific APN that includes IMS settings. You finish by restarting the Poco M3 so radio services fully reload. Then place or receive a call and watch for the Volte icon. This confirms IMS registration and voice over LTE is active. If it still fails, reinsert the SIM, reset network settings, and try again. Sometimes a carrier must provision Volte on their side. If problems persist, contact carrier support to confirm your account and IMS are enabled. One key tip: enabling airplane mode for 10 seconds, then disabling forces a quick reattach to the LTE network.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.